Anicon. They found the questions quick and are really friendly. I started submitting my requirements, last February, and by May, my requirements were forwarded to the school for full registration. The school sent me documents for visa processing along with a medical and a few more requirements from the embassy, and Anicon received the documents. So the visa will finally be released by tomorrow, August 18. I am happy that my visa was approved with the help of Anicon. I chose Wusong University through Anicon's strong recommendation because it is a distinguished private institution that places a strong emphasis on innovation and global education. Because first and foremost, they are a legit agency that makes the processing flow easy for everyone. Looking forward to a brand similar like learning experience in South Korea, which will boost my chances of landing a good job as well. I will also be meeting my husband there and hopefully work together towards taking our 2 kids with us, Lord willing. Kung naghahanap kayo ng legit at pagkakatiwalang agency to work and study in Korea, hanapin niyo po ang Anicon at sila na bahala sa inyo. Garantisado.